Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nose Media ZW. Kana first time yako kuya pano, please subscribe, share, comment, like. So pa zara nas, I bring you another video ya Mudiwa Hood achi receive a Pro Max 17 iPhone latest iri kunetsa zva manje 2025 iri kunetsa hayo ndo ega atanga kuzviita muZimbabwe, ndo ega atanga kutotenga foni iyoyo. Kana kune vari kwamuri kuziva vakatenga Pro Max 17, tell me in the comment section. But so far wandiri kuziva muZimbabwe ndi Mudiwa Hood. Ari kuremera ma street guys, ari kutoremera ma street zvamanje Mudiwa Hood ari kuremera ma street. So kana iri first time yako kuya pano, please subscribe, share, like. Let's see the video. Tuone kuti zvakamira sei. Thank you guys, stay blessed, I love you.
It's okay. I just got my iPhone 17 Pro Max, the latest, so I'm gonna open it whilst you guys watch. I know it's just that I love this. So I'm gonna open it so that you guys can see. It's crazy. As you can see, brand new, the latest iPhone 17. As you guys can see, brand new. You guys can see. I already have it. Wow. This is good. It's actually crazy, eh? This is good. I love this. Mudiwa Hood. So good.